In this video, we learn how to change height and width of cells in Excel. So let's start. So I simply add here new Excel file, use the shortcut key Control N, and here I change the height and weight of all cell. The left hand side you can see here the corner side one arrow showing. Just click on it and you can see the all cell is selected. Full sheet of Excel is selected. Okay. Now to change the height of cell, simply right click on the row number and click on the row heights and simply change here the height those you want and click on OK. Same as to change the width of cell, simply right click on the column name and click on the column width option and you can change here the column width. Okay, and click on OK. And that's it. You can see all cells height and width change. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.